Hello everyone, my name is Vasudha. In this current COVID situation, when all the kids are studying at home, how can we make our little ones to read and write an English language at home? And yes, that can be done through phonics. Phonic makes to read and write an English language very easy, and that too we can teach them at an early stage. To mention, I have not learned phonics before, but due to the situation and to teach my child at home, I have referred so many books, searched it online, and then made my own notes, which really helped me out to teach my child. And trust me, we can easily teach our child at home, and my 5-year-old child has really started reading now. So, here, through this video, I'm going to share my experience of teaching my child to read from a letter to sentences, and that too through phonics levels. So, let's understand what are phonics levels. To understand this in a simple way, let's take an example. To read a sentence, a child has to know how to read words. And to read words, the child needs to know how to read alphabets or letters. So, to teach these letters or alphabets, the child needs to know the sounds. And these sounds are covered in level 1. So, in level 1 of phonics, we teach the child sounds of each alphabet from A to Z. Now comes the level 2. After alphabets, we teach the child 3-letter words, or which is called as CVC words. After 3-letter words, we move to 4-letter words or 5-letter words. Now, these two topics are covered in level 4 and 5. And in this, at each stage, we introduce them to a set of 4-letter and 5-letter words. Nothing but the digraph and blends. Now comes the third level. In third level, we teach the second sound of the vowels. Vowel has two sounds, short sounds which is covered in level 2 and the long sound which is covered in level 3. So this was a small info about phonics levels. So now I will tell you what all topics are covered in phonics level 1. Each level I will tell you in two parts. First, for the parents to understand what all things are covered or the topics are covered in each level, and second, for the kids. So let's understand level 1. So when we can start level 1? When our kids enter junior KG, that time we can introduce this phonics to our kids. And we have entire 1 year to teach our kids about the level 1 topics. So first comes the sounds of each alphabet. In English language, A to Z, each letter has their own specific sounds. For example, A says A, B says B, and C says K. So, likewise, till Z, all the alphabets has sounds. So, in this level, we teach the kids the sounds of each alphabet. After this comes the writing part. We teach the kids writing A to Z small and capital letters in a 4-line notebooks. Once we are through with sounds of letters and writing comes the identification of beginning and ending sound. Beginning, I'll give you an example here. There's a word like dog, d or g, dog. The beginning sound here is d, which is letter D, and the ending sound is k, which is letter G. So after this comes the identification of vowels and consonants. Now what are vowels? There are 5 types of vowels. A, E, I, O, U. And apart from these alphabets, all other alphabets are called as consonants. So here we teach the child the consonants and vowels. Now let's see how we can teach all these topics to our kids. So I have taught my child in 3 simple ways, which is read, write and practice. And all the levels I have taught him under the same heads: read, write, and practice. Now, what comes under read? So, reading, we make a child learn the sounds of alphabets. So, how we can teach them? We can teach them through audio and video. Now, there are so many videos available on YouTube. So, you can pick up couple of videos which are available on YouTube, and you can listen to those sounds, and you can make your child also listen to those sounds. Here I'll mention this is an important level for the parents also like me who have not learned phonics before. Because once we learn this, so the further levels or the steps becomes easy for us to teach our kids. So repeatedly watching these videos and repeating the sounds, it's very easy for the kids to learn these sounds. Now second comes the writing part. Simultaneously, while teaching the sounds of the alphabet, introduce the child the writing part. So, writing capital letters and small letters on a 4-line notebook. So, once this is done, sounds and writing comes the practice. Now, for practice, you can use two ways, like you can introduce any workbook which is available online, or you can make your own handwritten sheets. So I'll show you both. Here I have referred a book which is available on Amazon, which is a flipped class, phonics and vocabulary. This book comprises of all the letters from A to Z, and all the words are being given into this book. Like suppose there is a letter T, so all the words which starts from letter T are being given here with the pictures. And on the next page, a worksheet has been provided wherein the child has to color or tick the pictures which starts from letter T. Likewise, at the end, there are few pages which is given for the practice for ending and beginning sound. So, like this is the beginning sound practice sheet wherein the child has to circle the beginning sound of this word, and the ending sound the child has to write. So, likewise, there are many sheets which are given at the end of this book. This is one way, or you can make your own worksheets and give them to practice at home. One I'll show you here, which is I used to make few pictures on book, and I used to ask him to write the beginning or and the ending sound of these words like ball, cup, numeric 10, fan. Likewise, you can make the sheets which becomes very easy for them to learn the beginning and ending sound. Now comes the practice of identification of vowels and consonants. So this can be taught by writing letters on a piece of paper and ask them to circle consonant or vowel, vice versa. So this is it about level 1 phonics. In my next video, I'll tell you the topics which are covered for level 2, that is CVC word and 3-letter words. And also I will share my word card with you. For each level I have made word cards, which is very easy and handy for us to teach our kids, and it is easy for kids also to read those word cards. So those who want to watch my other videos like from 2nd to 5th, do subscribe my channel so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Stay connected, and thank you so much for watching.